Hello, Roma. First, I wanted to apologize. I missed the general questions about how to do a screenshot. I'm sure you figured it out by now, but if you're on a Macintosh platform, which you said you were, it's Option Shift 3. Option Shift 3. And what will happen is, let's see if I do, or Control. You should hear like the sound of a shutter, okay? And of course, go ahead and Google it to make sure that I'm accurate. But in any case, we've got 2 weeks left. Don't hesitate to reach out if you have any other issues. Sometimes the quickest way is to actually text me, and I publish my phone number in my announcements. So I bid you strength. Roma, this is very, very competent. Now, the movement is nice. You might consider looping it indefinitely, infinite loop. I don't think that would be annoying. And I really like the way that you dropped out the beach scene from the type, and then have used the water as a background. I don't think you need this white box. You know, can you get this type to rest on top of the water? And I think there'd be enough contrast. I don't think you need the white box. Just a suggestion. Your ingredients, I think it's just enough. It's generally understood that by clicking on a web banner, it'll take you to the website. It has a nice airy feeling to it. Consider whether stacking the type conveys best place on earth, or whether the emphasis is thrown on the individual words, so it's not as fluid. I guess what I'm saying is that, perhaps align everything on the same baseline. And even if it overlaps part of relax, assuming that you make it larger, it will still be visible. Anyway, I'm going to open it up in Photoshop next and see what your file structure looks like, and then take a look at your timeline editor. Okay, so great. I mean, you've got everything on their own layers. You can turn them on or off at will. And then let's see, how have you done that box? Okay, well, one suggestion, quick suggestion would be to use perhaps the, what is it called? It is called the Magic Wand tool to select all the white parts of the image. Now, I might create some digital artifacts, so, this may not be the best solution, but just to give you an idea what it would look like at least. Okay. It's a smart object. You would have to do this and make sure that this is a transparent background in whatever smart object you're using. And perhaps that's what you tried to do. But you see where I'm going with that. And I think I mentioned the thing about, placing the type all on the same baseline. So for, just to give you an example, oops, let me move that off the screen. All right, I'm not going to labor this, but perhaps coming in from the left to form a single line at the end of the animation. Great ingredients. I really like the way that you dropped out the beach scene from the type and that used the ocean background. I look forward to seeing your refinements.